Hi guys, today we're going to do something. We're going to check out our plants. So this is the thing that we are starting with, but yeah, that's something. Yeah, and we got these trees right here. Yep. So yeah, let's go here. Guys, we got this. Let's go downstairs and see what we guys have over here. Let's go to our Odie. Hi. You good? Hey, it's the O. He's a baby. Oh my gosh, he's so cool. And I love it. And I cool. And I'm five. And it's a boom. And a boom. And a boom. You look so cute, like a baby doll. I love you. You are the best that I can ever sign you. You are the best. Oh wow. You are the best. Oh wow. I'm just making this song for you. I don't know what for this video too. I hope I get something, but it's never changed you. Ooh, baby, but this is no knowing what's going on when you I go, and I only know right hero. Oh, when you're right, oh, when you reach go slow, and I tonight dancing in the dark. You my favorite song. Barefoot on the ground, listening to my favorite song. But you read for now to wait, and your eyes for now to get. And I say, how can you walk alone? I love you, Ollie. So cute. Yeah, guys, I'm a singer, but yeah. I hope you like the song. And he's so cute, smiling, or maybe not, because his tail's not wagging. Hurry, let's dance. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a little bit wagging. Oh, no, okay. So, yeah. Let's check out the plants. I'm not allowed to go outside, so yeah. So that's one of our plants right there. And yeah. Okay, guys. Beep, boop, back today. Okay. Guys, bye, guys. Oh, please stop sneezing. Okay. King Kong King. Yeah. Yeah, bye. No. Give me a high five. Thank you. Good boy. Well, look at who he's acting with. Hey, yo. Oh my. Yeah. Okay, bye, guys.